Hey guys, welcome to your favorite channel Physics Ka Funda. You want to learn how numericals related to spherical mirror are solved? If you do so now, then you should watch this video till the end. So let's start today's video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe this channel Physics Ka Funda to get notification when a new video will be uploaded. So here is the first question. So I will read the question. You see, a convex mirror used for rear view on a car has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and image and size of the image. That is the question. Now you see, it is given that rear view, you see, rear view, and we know that for rear view mirror is which mirror? Convex mirror. So for convex mirror, what we know? For convex mirror, we know that the image is always what? Virtual and erect. Sorry. Convex mirror always forms virtual image and also erect image, because virtual images are always erect. Now you see, to do this problem, we need to know what is sign convention, and I think I explained what is sign convention in the previous video. So let's do this sum. So let's do this numerical. Given that in this question, it is given that the mirror is which mirror? Convex mirrors. Let's draw this convex mirror here. So this is a convex mirror. Wait, I will have to draw one convex mirror. This is a convex mirror, and you see, this is our principal axis. I already explained what is principal axis. Now you see, this mirror has center of curvature somewhere here. This is center of curvature, and we know that this is our pole, and in between P and C we have focus. Clear? We have focus. Now what is given in the question? We have to go for solution. What is given first? You need to write that. Given. What is given in the question? Given that radius of curvature is given. Radius of curvature is given how much? 3 meter. Radius of curvature is given 3 meter. Now you see that 3 meter you will write minus or plus. That is very important, because sign convention you have to use sign convention in any case of in any numerical, in case of spherical mirror, in case of lens, which we will get in the next video maybe. So in that case you must follow sign convention. Here it is given that radius of curvature, and we know that which one is radius of curvature? This is the radius of curvature from P to C. I already explained that. So this is what? This is how much given? 3 meter. Now it will not be given in the question whether it is plus or minus. It will not be given. You need to know it is minus or plus. As we know that this is, I already explained sign convention. Suppose this is what? Y axis. This is X axis. X axis, X dash. This is Y. This is Y dash. I'm again explaining what is sign convention. Now you see, to get the point C, in which direction you have to follow from point P? You have to proceed towards C from P towards right. Okay, that's why as it is going towards right, it will be what? Positive x-axis. So you need to write plus. Understood? Plus. Plus is what? Plus how much it is given? 3 meter. Clear? Understood? Sign convention understood? So this is given that radius of curvature is given. Now you see, if you know the radius of curvature, if you know what is radius of curvature, you can easily find out what is the focal length of the mirror. Why? Because radius of curvature, we know that focal length is equal to what? Radius of curvature divided by 2. Okay, we already know this, divided by 2. That means what? 3 divided by 2. That means 1.5 meter. Clear? It is given meter, so it will also be meter. So this is what your focus. Now the question is, if a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, that means bus is at what distance? Bus will be in front of the mirror at what distance? At what distance? Bus is 5 meter. Now you see, I already told you that the object distance is always what? Negative. What is else given? What else is given? Given u. Object distance is given. Object distance is written by u. So that is how much given? 5. 5 what? 5 meter. But you need to write one minus. Why? Because this is what? This is object, and objects are always placed in front of the mirror. In front means towards left. Understood? Towards left means negative. Clear? So object distance is always negative. Remember this. Now you need to calculate what? Find the position. Position means where the image will be. where the image will be, that position you need to calculate. So to find out that position, what you have to do, that means what is needed here? V is equal to what? V is the what? V is the image distance you need to calculate. And what else? Nature and size. Size we will calculate, okay, afterwards. Let me find out V first. Now you see, as I already told you in the last video, that we have a, we know that from the mirror formula, what we know? Mirror formula is what? 1 by U plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. Now using this formula only, we can easily calculate what is the value of V, because U value is given, F value is given. F value we have calculated from the radius of curvature. Now you just have to what? You just have to put the values. 1 by U means 1 by minus 5. Clear? 1 by minus 5. And what else? 1 by V. I don't know. V we have to calculate. So I don't know the value of V. We need to calculate. 1 by F. F value is how much given? 1.5. That is plus. Okay? This is plus. This is plus. So plus 1.5. Clear? Now you see, I can write 1 by V is equal to 1 by, this will go that side, it will be becoming plus 5 plus 1 by 15. Can I write 10 by 15? Yes, I can write easily 10 by 15. Now you have to take LCM. 5 and 15, LCM is 15. Just calculation. 5 3s are 15. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 15 1s are, that means 1 10s are. So 13 by 15. This is the value. It will be what? This value will be 1.15. This is 1.15, and that is coming plus. You see, that is coming plus. Why it is coming plus? You have to understand, because this is what mirror? This is a convex mirror now. So as this is a convex mirror, the image is always what? Virtual image. And virtual image forms where? Behind the mirror. This is the mirror. So virtual image will form now behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means what? That means towards right. Towards right means it will come plus. So you see, by just observing the answer, whether it is coming positive or negative, you can say that yes, my answer is correct. Because if in this question, I'm sorry, that is the value of 1 by V. So V value will be 15 by 13. It's 1.15 meter. It's 1.15 meter. Now you see, this is coming positive. You have to understand this. Why it is coming positive? Because this is what mirror? This is convex mirror, and convex mirror forms what image? It always forms virtual image, and virtual image forms always behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means what? Behind the mirror means towards right. That's why V value should come positive. If suppose you have done something wrong in the calculation, suppose you have done something wrong in the calculation and you are not getting V value positive. Suppose you are getting V value negative. That means you need to understand from there that somewhere I have done some mistake. Otherwise, it should have become positive. Why? Because this is a convex mirror, and in convex mirror, the image is always virtual image. And if the image is always virtual, that means the image is behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means towards right, and V value should always come positive. It should not come negative. If it is coming negative, somewhere you have done mistake. So from that perspective, you can say that whether your answer is correct or not. Clear? Now you see what you have got. What the V value you have got. What you have got? V value you have got plus 1.15 meter. Now you need to calculate nature. Nature, so it is what? This is convex mirror, where it is. From there also you can say that the image is formed. The image is formed behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. That's why the image is what? Virtual. And if it is virtual, it will be what? Definitely it will be erect. That means the nature you have to write nature. In nature you have to write the image forms behind the mirror and it is virtual and erect. That is nature. Now next go for this size. How to calculate size? By the formula of magnification. Okay, let me write here. Magnification. Now we have to use the formula for magnification to find out what is the size of the image. Magnification, we know that magnification is equal to what? Remember, minus V by U. Another formula was there, magnification is equal to or image height by object height. But in this question, height is not given, object height is also not given, image height is also not given. So you need to use which formula? M is equal to minus V by U, because V value you know, you just have calculated, and U value you know that which is given. U value was minus 5 meter. Now we have to put minus in place of V plus what it is 1.15. Just now we have calculated V value, we have calculated, and then you need to write in place of U minus 5. Minus minus will cut, it will become plus, and when you divide now you will get 0.23. That means from here can I say this is M is equal to, M is equal to H dash divided by H. Can I? H dash divided by H. That means can I write this is H dash by H is equal to 0.23. So from there H dash will be what? Plus 0.23 H. So from here you directly cannot say that the image will be of this size of suppose 5 meter, 5 centimeter, like that. You cannot say from here because object size is not given. As the object size is not given, so you have to answer that the image size is 0.23 times the object size, because you see this is H dash is the image, H is the object. So you have to answer that the image size is 0.23 times the object size. Understood, students? So next we have to go for next question. This is the second question. The question is, what should be the range of distance of the object from a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm to form an erect image? Okay, you have to form one erect image by what mirror? Concave mirror given. It is concave mirror. That means the concave mirror should form what image? Erect image. In case of that, the given thing is the focal length. Focal length is given 15 centimeter in case of concave mirror, and you have to say that what will be the range of the object distance of the object. That means object distance, where you have to place the object to form erect image. We know that in case of, now let's go for the solution. In case of concave, this is the concave mirror, we have got some specific points: pole, focus, center of curvature, and where we place the object at infinite distance. What are the possibilities? I already explained. At infinite distance, beyond C, at C, in between C and F, at F, and in between F and P. And we have got that in all the cases, this mirror is forming what? This mirror is forming what image? Inverted image. Inverted. There is a special case in case of concave mirror where we are getting only erect image. That special case is what? You have to place the object where? In between P and F. When we place any object in between P and F, the mirror, which mirror? The concave mirror always forms erect and virtual image. So you need to calculate what? You need to find out what? The range. Range means what? From where to where you can place the object. From where to where. From what point to what point you can place the object so that this mirror forms erect image. That means you need to form what? Erect image. That means you have to place the object in between P and F. That means this is the range. This will be the range. Clear? In this range only, if you place the object, then you will get the image inverted and virtual. That means the range will be what? Range will be what? 15 centimeter. Why? Because this much distance is how much? 15 centimeter. This is the range of the object distance. Clear? This is the range where you have to place the object so that the mirror forms only erect image. Clear? Next question is, what is the nature of the image? You know that given it is erect image, the question it is given, you need to form what image? Erect image. As you have to form erect image, that means it should be what? Virtual. Okay, it should be virtual. And where it will form? Nature you have to write, no? Nature. That means if you have to write the nature of the image, then you have to say that the image will form behind the mirror. It is what? It is virtual erect. Clear? So next go for the third question. Here we go. This is the third question. An object of height 5 cm is placed 20 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. You have a concave mirror and that mirror has focal length how much? 15 cm, and you have an object, and that object you have to place where? That object has a size 5 centimeter and you have to place at 20 centimeter in front of it. At what distance should a screen be placed? At what distance should a screen be placed so that it will form a sharp image? Okay, it will form a sharp image. Calculate the size of the image formed. Now you need to calculate what? You need to calculate the size of the image, position of the image. Okay, for this case. Now solution. You have a what mirror? Concave mirror. Okay, you have a concave mirror, and concave mirror is how to draw the concave mirror. This is the concave mirror. Clear? This is the concave mirror. This is the first concave mirror problem we are going to. Now you see, if we draw the principal axis, it will be like this. Center of curvature is somewhere here. Focus will be in between P and, this is pole P and, sorry, it will be in between P and C. Clear? Focus will be in between P and C. Now you see, question is what you have to find out. Given, what given? First of all, let me write what is given. Given U value. U value is given. An object of size 5 centimeter is placed. Object is placed at what distance? 20 centimeter in front of the mirror. And you always know that object size, no need to think whether it is positive, negative, no need to think. Whenever you are writing U value, it is always negative. Clear? Always negative. Why? Because U, that means object should always be placed in front of the mirror. This is what 20 centimeter given. Focal length given. Focal length of the mirror given. What mirror it is? Now you have to think. What mirror it is? This is what mirror? This is concave mirror. And in case of concave mirror, where is your focus? Focus is towards left from the mirror. Understood now? This is the mirror. Where is your focus? This is the focus. Focus is towards left. If you have to go towards the focus, you have to go towards left. Towards left means what? Towards x dash axis. That means negative. Clear now? Towards left means negative. Towards right means positive. So focal length will also be negative. And what is the value? 15 centimeters. See, mind it. This will not be given here. In the question, it will not be given minus. You need to think. You have to understand that your focal length is negative. Why it is negative? Because this is concave mirror, and concave mirror has negative focal length. Why? Because the focus is towards the left. This length is known as focal length from pole to focus, which is already explained. This is 15 centimeter. What else is given? Size H is 5 centimeter. Size of the object given, an object of size 5 centimeter. And object size we always write by H. So this is what? 5 centimeter. Question is to find out the position of the image. See, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed? Now you have to think, whenever you need to calculate, when it is given to calculate the distance of the screen, you have to understand that this is the image distance. Why? Because on the screen, the image will be formed. That means the image will be formed on the screen. That's why the screen distance from the mirror is known as the image distance. Clear? So you see, what you have to do here, you have to find out V value. Image distance you need to calculate, and then also you need to calculate what? Image height. That is size of the image formed. You need to calculate the size of the image formed. That means you need to calculate the size of the image H dash. Done? So this much is given. Now you see, we will have to proceed. How we will proceed? The same formula, mirror formula we will use. Okay? We know that, you have to write, we know that what we know, 1 by u plus, sorry, it's very, very small now. Let me write here. Can I write here? 1 by u, sorry. I can write here, I think. Okay. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. This formula we know. We need to calculate v value. So 1 by v we are writing 1 by f minus 1 by u. Clear? F value given minus 15. F value is minus 15 given here. So you will have to write minus 15 here. No need to write centimeter. We'll do that. Plus. I'm sorry. Not plus. This is minus. Minus given. Minus 1 by u value minus 20. Done. So can I write this? Minus will become plus this 20. Minus will become plus. Can I write this 1 by 20? Yes, we can. So this 1 by 20, and then what we have to do? This is minus 1 by 15. Clear? Just mathematics. What you have to do? You need to calculate LCM. What it is? 12 and 15. I'm sorry, 20 and 15. 20 और 15 का LCM कितना है? 60. You find out. Now you see 23 is a 60. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 15 कितना बार जाता है? 4 बार. 4 times. It is 4. Understood? So what you are getting? You are getting this 1 by V value is equal to 3 minus 4 will be minus 1 divided by 60. Clear? 3 minus 4 will be minus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator what it will be? It will be 60. So what we can write here? V will be what? It will be V, your reverse, you are doing reverse, so it will also be reverse. So minus will be there 60. So V is minus 60 centimeter. What does it mean? It means that minus value, V value is negative. What is the meaning? You have to understand that V value negative means your image is where? Your screen is where? Your screen is also in front of the mirror. Clear? Because negative means towards left. So you have to place the screen at what distance? 60 centimeter from the mirror, in front of the mirror, you have to say. So in the answer you have to say that the screen should be placed at 60 centimeter from the mirror. Clear? Now next is what? You need to calculate what? You need to calculate h dash. To find out h dash, what we will use? We will use this formula. You see, m is equal to what we have got? V value we have got now. V will be minus 60 centimeters. Just now we have calculated. Now you see, again you know that you have to write. Again we know that you will write that one. So again we know that what it is? M is equal to h dash divided by h, clear, is equal to what? Minus V by U. This is the formula. Can I write h dash divided by h value given now? 5 centimeter. Can I write 5 here? I am writing plus 5. You have to understand that also. Because objects are always placed what? Erect. So this is h. Object height. Objects are always placed erect. That means this is object height. Now you have to understand whether it is positive or negative. Because it is going, you have to find out the object height. You are going towards the tip from the toe. Okay, that means you are going like this. That means you are going towards which axis? Y axis. This is y dash. Clear? I explained. The below one is y dash. This is y dash axis. And this is y axis. You are going towards what? Y axis. Understood? That means this is positive. That's why I am writing h plus 5. Understood? Here I am writing plus 5, not minus. If it is inverted, if the image is real and inverted, you will get h dash negative. And you have got the V value negative, minus 60 centimeter. That means your image will be where? Your image will be in front of the mirror. And if the image is in front of the mirror, what it was? It was real and inverted. That means you need to find out the h dash value, and the h dash value should also come what? Negative. If it is not coming negative, then you have to make sure that somewhere you have done some mistake. That's why it is not coming negative. Now you see, what you have to do is equal to minus. This minus is coming from the formula. Minus V by U. This minus I am writing here. In place of V, I have to write minus, another minus 60. Clear? Divided by U value is what? Minus 20. Done? Minus minus I can cut. So 20, how much time it will cut? 23 times. So this minus will be there. This minus will cut. So 20 will cut this 60 by 3 times. So this is what? H dash divided by 5. So H dash will be what? 5 minus 3 into 5. Minus 3 into 5. What it is? How much it is? It is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Understood? Am I correct? Yeah. This is minus 15 centimeter. That means your image is what? Image distance you see. So I'm sorry, image height h dash is minus 15 centimeter. Minus means what? Just now I told that it is inverted. Height you are going to find. If it is negative, that means it is going towards downward. That means what? Towards down. That means this is what? This is inverted image. Definitely it will be inverted. This is what mirror? Concave mirror. In case of concave mirror, if the image image is real, then it is always inverted, and the image is always real here. In this case, why? Because the image is formed in front of the mirror. If the image is formed in front of the mirror, then the image is real image, and if it is real, it is inverted, and if it is inverted, then you must find out the h dash value, which is the size of the image that should be negative. Why? Because it is inverted. Clear? If suppose you have done some mistake and you are getting h dash value positive, suppose you are getting positive, for example, you are getting positive, then just observing this sign, just remember what I am telling, just observing this sign, you can say that, you can predict that I am correct or not. If it is plus, that means somewhere I have done some mistake, I need to again do this problem. Understood? So if it is you are getting negative, that means you are correct. Understood? So after doing the problem now, you will know yourself that whether you are correct or not, whether you will get marks or not for the same question. So this is the third question. Understood? So we'll go for the fourth one, last one, today's class, last question. This is the fourth question. A spherical mirror produces an image of magnification -1 on a screen placed at 50 cm from the mirror. Clear? You have a mirror, and that mirror produces what? That mirror produces an image of magnification -1. Clear? The image is having magnification -1, and the screen is placed where? The image is formed on the screen, and the screen is placed where? At 50 cm from the mirror. The question is, number A, what is the type of the mirror? You need to find out what is the type of the mirror, whether it is concave, whether it is convex, that one you have to answer. Number B, find the distance of the image from the mirror. You need to calculate the distance of the image from the mirror, and then what is the focal length of the mirror. You need to calculate the focal length of the mirror also. Okay, so let's do this. Now, to solve this, you have to understand some concept. This is very, very important. You need to understand the concept. Concept is given that, what is given here? Given that the magnification is -1. Very, very important. Magnification is given negative, -1. And now you tell me, sorry, you can't tell me now because it is online class, so it's okay. So m is equal to -1 when the magnification is negative. Magnification formula is what? H dash divided by H. Understood? The magnification will be negative if and only if your H is equal to H dash. What is the meaning? It means that the object size and the image size is equal. And when the object and image size will be equal, you know that in which case? In case of only concave mirror. In case of only concave mirror, we are getting what? We are getting the object and image size equal. In which case? In the case of center of curvature. You have drawn some diagrams, and I have given this. This is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Clear? When you have placed the object here AB, okay, you place the object where you got the image. You got the image somewhere here only. Okay, at the same point. Understood now? That means you are getting object size and image size equal. Magnification 1 minus will come because what? Why the minus is coming? Because this is H dash. H dash is negative going down, and H is positive upward. That's why H dash is minus H. Understood? And that means the size of the image and the size of the object are equal. When it is equal? When the image is formed at the center of curvature of what mirror? Concave mirror. That's why. And one more thing you remember, in case of real image, you remember this. In case of real image, the magnification is always negative. In case of real image, the magnification is always negative. Why? Because in case of real image, the image is inverted. Clear? As the image is inverted, then you see m is equal to h dash by h. H dash will be coming negative now. H dash value will be coming negative. Why? Because image is inverted. Inverted image, that's why negative divided by this is always positive. So any value you put here, minus divided by plus, it will be negative. That's why magnification becomes negative. So sometimes it is asked If the magnification is negative, what is the type of the mirror? What is the nature of the image? The nature is real, you remember. So for real image only, you are getting what? The magnification negative. And if the magnification is positive, then we can say that the image is what? Virtual and erect. That's why if it is in this case, what you have to answer? The question number A, what is the type of the mirror? Yes, it is concave. Number A, it is concave. Why it is concave? Because it is real and convex mirror doesn't form real image. Clear? Convex mirror कभी real image नहीं form करता है. So what mirror it is? It should be concave. Understood? Number B, find the distance of the image from the mirror. Yeah, screen is placed where? It is given. Screen is placed at a distance of 50 centimeter, and on the screen only you will get the image. That's why image distance will be what? Image distance will be minus 50 centimeter. Why minus? Because it is towards the left. Clear? Image distance is minus. Why? Because I've just drawn here, and the object is placed at C. Image is also coming at C, and this distance is how much? 50 centimeter. Because the screen should be here. The screen should be here at C. If the screen is at C, we can say that the image will form at C. And image should form at C. Why? Because the magnification is given -1. And when the magnification will be negative, it is real. And when it is 1, the value is 1. 1 means magnification. Listen very carefully. If the magnification value is 1, that means object and image size is equal. So if the object and image size is equal, that means image is formed where? At C. Object is where? At C. If m value, listen, if m value is greater than 1, that means the image is enlarged. Sorry, what happened? That means if it is more than 1, it is enlarged. If it is less than 1, m value, remember this, if it is less than 1, this is what? Diminished. Remember this. Diminished means the size of the image is less than the size of the object. If it is m value is more than 1, suppose you are taking example, suppose m is equal to 2. M is equal to 2. If you take m is equal to 2, then what we can do here, you see, m is equal to 2 means m is equal to h dash by h. So if m is equal to 2 is equal to h dash by h, what we can write from here? H dash is equal to twice h. That means h dash is equal to twice h means what? Object का size जितना है वहां से image का size कितना हो गया? Double हो गया. That means it is enlarged. If it is more than 1, it is enlarged. If it is less than 1, it is diminished. Clear? So you see the B number question. The answer of the question number B will be what? V will be minus 50 centimeter. Why minus? It should form at C. At C means what? In front of the mirror. What is the focal length of the mirror? Can you find out the focal length? Yes, we can. How? This V value, listen. This V value, where the object is placed at C. Image will also form at C. Therefore, we can say that radius of curvature is how much? Minus 50 centimeter. Why? Because you see here. I'll explain this. This is the case. In this case, this is the center of curvature. Your object is here. This is your focus, and the image will form somewhere here. Okay. This is the image. A dash, B dash, to B A, A B, A dash, B dash, and this value is C na, center of curvature. This is pole, and this distance is given na. This is the screen placed here. Screen should be placed here, and screen is placed at what? 50 centimeter. That means P to C. PC is given. How much it is? It is 50 centimeter, and it is R. PC is equal to R, and you have to write minus. Why? It is towards the left. So PC is equal to R. R is given minus 50 centimeter. Understood? Radius of curvature is 50 centimeter. It is already given. So if you know the radius of curvature, you can easily find out F value. It is R by 2. It's minus 50 divided by 2. It will be minus 25 centimeter. Done? So this much is sufficient for today's class. I will give some homework now. So you have to write down those homeworks and you have to submit. by next 3 days. Okay, I will give you time. Today is I think 17. No, today is 18. So you have to submit by 21. Okay. So I will write the homeworks here and you have to take a screenshot and then you can do the problems. Okay. So let's write the homeworks. So these are the questions. 4 questions I have given for your homework, and now you just take a screenshot. Okay. Take a screenshot. I'm leaving the screen now. Take a screenshot. Okay, I think I've given you enough time to take the screenshot here. Clear? So these are the 4 homeworks that you have to submit on or before 21st May. Understood? So I'm going to end this video here today. So thank you for watching.